Stay focused, connected, and entertained with the perfect companion, Android Auto, in your new Mazda. Making a call using Android Auto is almost like using your phone. You can simply use Google Assistant to make the call for you. Simply press the talk button on the steering wheel or tilt right on the commander knob and say "Call," followed by a name from your contacts.
Call Dad.
Work, mobile, or home.
Mobile.
You can also use the commander knob to access your phone's apps. Bump or tilt the commander knob down and then scroll left or right to find the phone app. Then find your contacts and scroll through them till you find the one you want to call. Select your contact and the system will dial right away. When you're done, just press the phone button on your steering wheel to end the call or scroll the cursor to select the hang-up icon on the Android Auto screen. It's easy to stay connected with Android Auto in your new Mazda.